today's guest. We do not learn from experience. We learn from reflecting on experience. Now I would like to call Shivam to share his views on kindergarten school days. It is the only CBSE and best school in Mumbai. I love to go to school every day. I love my school very much. Thank you, and all. Thank you, Shivam, for sharing your experience. The only source of knowledge is experience. Now, I would like to call Nitish Kumar Kamadgi on the stage to share his experience. Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guru Namaha. To remember time to read, time to look back, and time to reach forward. Now I would like to call my friends to sing a song. Activities, playing with friends, reading and writing. Oh, nice. Don't you like dance? Yes, I like dance too. Now our friends are coming to perform or dance. Are you ready? Yes. Not audible. Yes. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. I'd like to thank our beloved Principal, Mrs. Sujata Palle ma'am. Now I would like to thank all the parents and